Ever feel like your important documents are scattered everywhere, making it a nightmare to manage? Today, we're diving into the world of PDF merging, a super simple yet incredibly powerful way to conquer document chaos and create one unified file. No more juggling multiple PDFs for presentations, proposals, or even just your personal records. Let's start with the easiest method, online PDF combiners. These are fantastic for quick merges without installing any software. Search for Combine PDF online, and you'll find plenty of options. I'm using Smolpt here. The process is as simple as this: drag and drop all the PDF files you want to combine right into this window. You can usually upload them directly from your computer. Once your files are uploaded, you can easily reorder them by clicking and dragging. This is crucial to ensure your final PDF is in the exact sequence you need it. Just place them in the desired order. When everything is in place, simply click the Merge PDF or Combine PDF button. The tool will then work its magic, and in just a few moments, your combined PDF will be ready for download. Click the Download button, and you'll have one consolidated, perfectly organized PDF file. For those who work with PDFs frequently or need more advanced features, software like Adobe Acrobat Pro is a professional choice. Open Acrobat and look for an option like Combine Files or Create PDF from multiple files. Here, you can add your PDF documents from your computer or even from cloud storage, just like with the online tools. You can rearrange the files to get the perfect order. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement, click the Combine or Merge button. Acrobat will then generate your single PDF. Remember to save your newly combined PDF with a clear and descriptive name for easy future access. Whether you choose a quick online solution for everyday tasks or a robust software for more complex projects, combining your PDF files is a game changer for efficient document management. Happy merging!